Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Where's the, is there an entrance for this or?
Yeah, this is the entrance, but this closed because of Corona, so you can
Oh,
go
really?
inside. So yeah, we can
So you can't see nothing else?
Yeah, just here, and I think there is another thing to see, like in the corner, but I'm not really sure.
Oh, okay.
Just
So but it's
discovering
closed?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, thank you. Oh, what a shame. What a shame. So it's actually closed. So we'll see what's down here around the side. But yeah, I did want to check it out and see the old ruins. What a sad state of affairs. Well, look at this cute cat under here getting some shade. Oh, so cute, man. Wish I had something to give it. Finally give it this. I might have some water actually. So the views are majestic. The views are majestic from here. Unreal. Still disappointed about the fact that it's actually closed. So let's see what's on this side. So if you want to know a bit more about this place, there are some ancient Roman ruins here, which as you can understand is going to be a few thousand years old. And this coronavirus has affected many things in regards to opening times, being open or closed in many occasions. But yeah, we're gonna go around the fortress walls. There's a small little valley here which has been turned into a footpath or a road, and beyond it there's some more walls. I think it's walls to the city, and as you can probably appreciate, in the ancient times these were ways to keep your cities safe and secure, especially being a high point. So these valleys are obviously good forms of protection. We'll get down to the other side and you'll get to see some great views of like the water and stuff. So I believe it's the river that goes into the sea. In the distance you might be able to see a new tower being constructed, and that is really tall. Could be the tallest in the city, because you can see it from some distance when you're driving. So it is quite beautiful down here. There are a lot of people out and about. I'm guessing they're all in the same boat. They wanted to check this place out. Fortunately, like me, they're in the same predicament. Not a lot to do apart from just walk around the walls. We'll see if there's any other doors, any other openings. I am doubtful at the moment. At least I got to use the Kareem app, and I did want to test it out before using it for my travels tonight. So tonight I'm leaving for the UK. And there's basically I am going to be traveling to the airport today, and I did want to do a trial run before I travel, because I did get some quotes yesterday for the Grand Taxi, and the quotes for the Grand Taxi were 300 dirhams to the airport, and the Kareem app is telling me around about 60 dirhams. So there's a massive saving massive saving. So yeah, looks like I'll be using that, and I don't mind paying a bit more for a more premium service, because there are different levels within the Cream app, as you saw. You can feel a nice breeze up here, a real nice breeze, and you can see the views. There's a lot of farmland below. There's some tree cultivation going on down there. As you can see, there's some trees being cultivated. Looks like many different types of trees. And people are just chilling out up here. Have great views. I think there's some vendors here. Look at this for a view. Look at this for a great view. So there's so much greenery here. So much greenery. There's patches of water, marshland down below. And you can see the river that kind of goes through the city, and basically it carries on around and it goes out into the sea. And in the distance over there's some mausoleums, and some more districts on top of the hills. Great views from up here. So I think we'll continue around to do a 360 tour. So let's continue the walk down here. Don't know if this does a 360, but I don't remember there being a footpath on the other side, but we'll soon find out. I don't even know if this goes up down to a road, because if it doesn't do a 360 I could just get the taxi from the bottom, but can't see any roads down there. Might have to come back the same route. Salam. So they're keeping this land fertile and green by watering it regularly. It's a real shame that we can't go inside. Wow, there's a bird's nest up there, and you can see some of the birds on the top of the tree. That's a nice view, that is. Don't know if the camera actually picks that up or not. Not sure what type of bird they are, maybe storks. The heat has picked up. So oh no, I actually thought that all up there was was fake, but there's an actual bird up there. It's huge. It's actually huge. Okay, so The official path has now disappeared. It's a dirt track. I wonder if this goes around. Some beautiful violets here. I'm not gonna wander into the greenery. Don't know what might pop out. We just continue the tour around. Walking alongside these massive greenery just reminds me of Pakistan. There's a lot of paths like this in Pakistan with loads of plantation, greenery. Some waterworks coming out here. Don't know if that's like a natural spring or not. Oh, I don't know whether it's getting pumped out. I don't know where that water's coming from. So it looks like these guys are constructing something here. I don't know, do we take a chance to walk around? Or will it tell me to turn around? We go for it. So it looks like this is the rear door. Which is locked, of course. These gentlemen are waiting to come in. So we've almost completed the full 360. And what I'm going to do when I get to the front is have a little rest and then book another Kareem taxi, maybe back towards the centre or somewhere else. Yet to decide. Maybe around Bubblehead, which is the main centre, the old Medina, the city. A lot more vibrancy there. Yeah, as you can see, coming up back towards the main entrance. Yeah, so I'll have a rest now, then I'll call the Kareem taxi on the way back and I'll show you the prices. I've ordered another Kareem. I've opted for the premium service and I want to see if there's any difference. So this is like 5 minutes away, so I'll give it a review. It's only like 2 dirhams more, which is very inexpensive, so I'll give you a review once it's arrived. Okay guys, we'll give a quick review of the Careem app, and it's a big thumbs up from me, a 10 out of 10, outstanding, great service, you're not waiting a long time, very efficient. I did try the normal service and the premium service. There's literally no difference. If anything, the standard call was better than the premium one. So for an extra few dirhams, there's literally no difference. The rides are extremely cheap. The best thing is there's no guessing and stuff, you know, as opposed to the taxis where there's guessing and stuff involved. Especially if you're going somewhere out of the city, might be more convenient to use these apps. Within the city, the taxis are fairly cheap anyway, so it's a great way to get about as well. So I'd support both, but if you're going somewhere like out of the city centre, then Careem's the way forward. But the main reason why I want to use it is for the airport journey, which I have later on today. And if it works for that, then I'm saving so much money, and I'll be really, really pleased. But I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll see you on the next one.